Okay. All right, just a little sidetrack. I see the Douglas main is open at the moment. Somebody just drove up here not too long ago. And it's definitely open. And when I say in the sense of open, there's not a bunch of snow on here. The roads are not bad. It's been a number of years since I was up this one. So we'll just trek up here a little bit as a side gig to what I had actually planned today, which was Wesach Falls. But I'm just gonna tootle up here for a second and see what we see. Might be able to get you a good view. That's my ultimate goal. See if I can get you a view of the valley of something here. I just saw a glacier nestled up top up there. I was gonna, if I don't get it here shortly, another view, I'll get it for you on the way back. Looks like somebody's been in here cutting firewood. No, I'll have to get that one for you on the way back because it's already disappeared. It is really, really windy up here though. Holy. And somebody has been up here not too recently. It looks like they're out there going in, not out. But it's so windy, it's just blowing snow right over top of their tracks at the moment. Road deactivated. Well, let's see how deactivated it is here. I'm really hoping the GoPro could pick that up. Let's just make sure. All right, so somebody turned around here. They decided not to go any farther. All right, nobody's been up here for a while. At least not since the last snowfall. Hopefully that won't get caught on the top of the box there. If it does, I guess it'll just break off. Missed it. All right, we've got some tracks here. Actually, those are fresh tracks. Interesting. Lots of little rabbit tracks or bird tracks running across the road. Climbing, climbing, climbing. All right, kilometer 2. We don't have to call out on this road, by the way. Nobody's logging out here right now. Which is too bad, because that's where you get your best views, is off the cut blocks. All right, so we're gonna go to kilometer 4. And if we don't see anything by then, we're gonna turn around, head back out. That's gonna be my magic turnaround number today. All right, look at that. Look at that view. That's what I wanted to take you up here for. Now the road, I'm sure, is fine. I don't know how my daughter gets into rock climbing because, man, oh man, I could just puke. All right, we're gonna go up to the top here. I'm gonna turn around because that's all I wanted, was to get you guys a view of that valley. Because, man, we're still climbing and climbing and climbing. Perfect spot to turn around, right here. Holy Christ. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a second. I gotta show you this. Oh my God, you gotta see this. And I don't mean my mug. But Baxter, stay here. Look at that view from up here of the lake. All right. So that is Calum Lake. Exactly what I was hoping to get a view of. There we are. And this summer we can go farther up this road. But for today, this is as far as I'm gonna go. But I'm just gonna walk down here so I can get a better picture than I can from the van of the valley. So. Never get enough of this country. I really don't. Come on, Spud. Come on. Let's go. In you go. Up. Come on. Get up. Come. Good boy. Stay. All right. Let's put the pug back. All right. Make our descent down. I'm just gonna hopefully get you a pretty decent view. Do you know what's really funny? If you can hear that noise on my van, it's got a bit of an exhaust brake when you're in low. I just love this van. It just gets better and better. it's not an exhaust brake. I don't know the right terminology. That's a blue zone thing for me. All I know is I can hear the van pulling itself back because I'm in low. I mean, there's basically low, 2, and drive on the van. So I'm in L right now. And just because cameras never just do justice on descents. They don't show the incline of a hill very well. But the van is slowing itself down, and which is what it's supposed to do, but you can hear it. It's just so cool. I just love this little van. All right, I'm just gonna stop here a second. I'm gonna show you something. So this is what I saw coming up, are these tracks. Now, they came, to me it looks like they came from there. Oh, there are the weirdest sounds coming from the bush right now. Anyways, these tracks came up here. What the hell is that? There is the weirdest sound. I don't know. I will probably never know. Maybe it's a Sasquatch. Holy fuck, there's something in the bush. Okay. Yeah, there was something in there snapping away. And there's weird noises going on in the bush. And I'm not saying it's a Sasquatch. That's just a joke. I'm thinking it's probably a moose. I would love to see it, but from the freedom of my van, sorry, from the safety of my van, so chances are it was a tree breaking, because it's windy, it's cold, they're snapping all around, popping. But I don't know, there was a weird kind of owly moaning call from the one side of the bush, and then trees crackling on the other side. So all right, well, I don't see anything. I guess my white van out in the bush isn't as stealthy as I thought. Anyways, let's carry on carrying on. So I don't know if you can see it. There's Calum Lake, kind of just right over in that little, through the trees there as we're coming down. It warmed up significantly today. I don't know which is better there. It has warmed up significantly today. It is bright out. It's sunny out. It's not raining. It's not snowy. The only thing that I can think of is that when I get home, I'll have forgot to hit record on half of my video, because today just turned out so nice otherwise. I don't know, other than this pokey person that's in front of me. I thought it was this little van that I was going slow. But we are doing like 50 on an 80 highway that is... I mean, yeah, there was snow on it earlier, but right now, it's just... You can see my windshield right now. It's disgusting from the spray off this car. Sorry, I got squirreled there for a second. My whole point was, beautiful day for a drive. So glad you could come along with me and enjoy it. Here's hoping I hit record, like I said. And yeah, can't get enough of this country. It is just gorgeous out here. It's amazing no matter what the weather, but when the sun is shining, oh man, nowhere else I'd rather be. There's nowhere else I would rather be. On that note, I'm just gonna sit here and tootle along behind this little car, and until the next one, cheers.